Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, everyone. Getting started with a Roth IRA is a fantastic step towards a secure financial future. It offers incredible tax-free growth, which can be a game changer for your retirement savings. But simply opening the account isn't enough. Choosing the right investments inside it is absolutely crucial. Today, we'll walk through how to pick investments that align with your goals and help you make the most of this powerful retirement vehicle. The very first step in choosing Roth IRA investments is understanding your personal risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, or do you prefer a more stable approach? Generally, younger investors with decades until retirement can afford to take on more risk, aiming for higher growth. If you are closer to retirement, a more conservative strategy might be a better fit. Your investment choices should truly reflect what helps you sleep soundly at night. Diversification is absolutely critical for any successful investment portfolio, including your Roth IRA. It simply means spreading your money across various types of investments, like different industries, companies, and asset classes. This approach helps reduce risk because if one investment performs poorly, others might be doing well, balancing things out. A well-diversified portfolio often includes a mix of stocks and bonds, perhaps even some exposure to real estate. This helps ensure a more stable and resilient path to growth over time. Now, let's look at common investment options for your Roth IRA. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are very popular. They offer broad market exposure, tracking entire indices, usually with very low fees. Mutual funds are another excellent choice. They pool money from many investors, buying a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. You can also pick individual stocks, but this requires more research and carries higher risk. For most investors, diversified funds like ETFs or mutual funds are often a more straightforward and effective path for long-term Roth IRA growth. Remember, investing in your Roth IRA is a long-term game. Consistency with contributions is far more important than trying to time the market. Regularly review your portfolio, perhaps once a year, and rebalance it to maintain your desired asset allocation. This means adjusting your investments back to your target percentages. Avoid making emotional decisions. Patiently let compounding work its magic. This strategy will truly serve your retirement goals well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.